Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inserting the photo into the slide and selecting it so PowerPoint shows the picture format ribbon. Click Remove Background immediately. PowerPoint auto-detects the subject using contrast and edges, which is why cropping first helps. Once done, PowerPoint highlights the removed area in magenta. Make sure to zoom in and check edges because automatic detection can miss fine details. You're initiating the algorithm that separates foreground from background, so this first step sets the accuracy for everything that follows. Once PowerPoint shows the magenta mask, refine the selection with mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. You actively teach the tool which pixels belong to the subject versus the background. Draw short strokes along edges or hair. Short marks are interpreted locally and reduce errors. Then toggle Show Markup to compare changes. Make sure to switch between keep and remove as you go, because small corrections near high contrast edges produce the biggest visual improvements. This detailed execution fixes the algorithm's blind spots. After refining, click Keep Changes to apply the transparent background and inspect the silhouette. If edges look harsh, use picture effects like soft edges or feather to smooth the transition, because slight blurring hides jagged pixels. To use the image elsewhere with transparency, right-click and save as picture, choose PNG. If the mask failed, reinsert the original and repeat the mark area steps. This reset often fixes stubborn artifacts. One key troubleshooting tip: work at higher zoom and use short correction strokes for precision.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.